Halika, halika. So this painting is called Resistance by Alfredo Esquil. Take a moment to observe. Oh, anong nararamdaman niyo habang tinitingnan niyo?
Parang ang bigat. Yung angels po parang inaagawan ng liwanag.
Oo nga, parang may struggle sila. Ang daming mga elements na parang nagiging chain.
That's a good observation. Resistance is about the fight between spiritual purity and worldly corruption. The angels here represent the fight for goodness, and the skeletal forms, even the snakes and the vines, they represent naman the bad force that pull them down.
Ano po siya, parang nakakatakot po siya pero maganda pa rin po. Parang buhay po natin, di po tayo makakawala sa mga struggles po natin sa buhay.
Tama ka dyan. Aeschylus' works often reflects the complexity of the human existence. Yung mga laban natin sa sarili at sa paligid natin.
Tama, may point ka. Dahil this piece invites us to confront the realities of conflict, hope, at saka resilience. Despite the darkness, the angels still fight to rise. Parang tayo, kahit na marami ang humahadang sa atin.
Parang sinasabi rin po niya na kahit surrounded ka ng problems is pwede pa rin po siya lumaban.
That's the essence of resistance. It's not just about the struggle, but about the strength to push forward. Okay guys, you're free to observe the painting, and if you have questions, just let me know.
Picture kayo. Diyan kayo, picture kayo.
Sure. Okay, susunod tayo sa landscape. Wait guys, doon naman tayo sa kabila. Tara.
Let's go. Oh, para ka. Okay ka lang ba?
Sakit lang ang tiyan ko.
Magsabi ka kung anong nararamdaman mo. Excuse me. Masama pa karamdam na eh.
Oh, bakit? Anong problema? Okay ka lang?
Masakit po ang tiyan ko eh.
Siya, di ka dun sa lounge.
Ano, kamusta ang pakiramdam mo?
Medyo okay naman na po, kumalma na.
Buti naman kung gano'n.
Magpapahangin lang po ako, ma'am.
Sige. Alam mo, resistance reminds me of Dickinson's line. Hope is the thing that feathers and perches in the soul. Sings in the tune without the words, and never stops at all.
Oh. Aeschylus' angels are caught in struggle, but they never lose hope.
Exactly. Art like this doesn't just show us conflict. It reminds us of our capacity to rise above it.
Alam mo, para sa akin ang bawat sining nakagaya ni Noel, hindi lang nandyan para angahan natin. It speaks to us. Sinusubok tayo na sa ating mga sariling problema, paano natin ito malalampasan.
Kahit gaano kahirap ang buhay, tanda natin. Hope was always there, even in the darkest moments.